This video is about the spiritual foods from ancient Lanka, the healing power of herbal porridge. In today's world, we often seek balance. Have you ever wondered how ancient cultures found harmony through food? Welcome to the intriguing world of spiritual foods from ancient Lanka. This journey will unveil herbal porridge and monk food. These nourish the body and soul. First, let's explore herbal porridge, or kiri hodi. This dish is rich in herbs and grains. It provides vital energy and promotes healing. Now, how is it made? You need fresh herbs, grains, and water. Begin by boiling water. Add your grains, stirring occasionally. Once soft, mix in finely chopped herbs. This combination creates a vibrant meal. It embodies love and reverence for nature. Next, we'll turn to monk food, also known as Sangika Aloof. Monks focus on simplicity and purity. Their food is intended to nourish both body and mind. Let's look at the key ingredients. Rice is the staple, complemented by seasonal vegetables. Add herbs for flavor and health benefits. Preparation involves mindfulness. Rinse rice, then cook until fluffy. Meanwhile, sauté vegetables and herbs. Combine them with rice for a wholesome meal. These meals symbolize interconnectedness with nature and spirituality. They remind us to appreciate simplicity. Now, imagine sitting down to enjoy herbal porridge. Each bite offers warmth and comfort. You're not just eating, you're connecting with centuries-old traditions. In summary, spiritual foods from ancient Lanka provide nourishment. They combine healing herbs and wholesome grains. Embrace the simplicity and spirituality of these meals. Discover how food can be a source of balance and peace. Try making herbal porridge or monk food today. Ready to explore these traditions further? Subscribe for more insights and recipes on spiritual foods. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from the video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay tuned for a new video.